to my channel. Today is Halloween. It's October 31st. It's in the afternoon. It's about 4 a.m. We have an event here in our subdivision and we are very excited because it is our very first Halloween event here in the Philippines. What?
I think we got a wolf problem.
Alright guys, so I'll be vlogging today and we'll capture what we can find here or what's the event is looking at tonight. I'm excited and it's our first time and I'll still be wearing the same costume every year. Anyway, I'll be back. Ayan! Yan, magandang yan! Yan, yan, yan!
And Bisaya, hi!
Now look at that. The cemetery. Is there any people there?
I don't want to go there.
You don't want to go there. How about this one? This house over here. I don't think there's people in there. Huh? Is there? Oh, here. Nothing?
I see lights on, but I don't want to.
Alright, you don't want to go there. How about this one here? There's someone here. Come on. Get some. Get it. Get. Come on here. Get some. Get one. Okay, that's it? Alright, okay. Alright, look at the cemetery. Look at that. Are you scared? Okay, okay. Alright. Okay. In there. Trick or treat. Thank you. Let's go. Oh, over here. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, look at that, Yan. They have something going on. Trick or treat, Yan. Okay, get something. This one. That's it. Okay, go. Okay, good. Right. Go. Thank you. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, nice, no? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go over here. It's a new house? Oh, guess new house. What is this? Oh, there's something in there. The box? Let's go here. Check it out. Woo. Okay, get something. Just get maybe 2 or 3. Yeah. Come on, get 2 or 3. Please, get 2 or 3. Just pick a choice. Just pick. Just pick. You got that? Okay. Alright, let's go. Ay, hala, natagak. Okay, go. Get close to me. Okay. Trick or treat. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay, look at the cemetery. Hello. Look at that. 2 or 3. Oh no, it's our box already. Just get one. Just get one. Okay, just get one. Alright, get one. Alright, thank you. Let's go. Is it over there too? One more? Okay. Yeah, I'll bring that one. I'll bring that one then. Okay. Is it over there? Oh, here you. Let's get 2 or 3. Come on. There's still 2 or 3. Come on. Okay, very good. Good job. Alright, let's go. Tingnan mo, no? Okay, let's go. Huh? Is it fun? Yeah. Is it fun? Okay. Yay! Running around. Okay, let's go here, Yan. Close to me, don't go fast. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Let's go, Yan. Yes, come on, Yan. Go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, Yan. All right, thank you. Come on, Yan. Let's go. Popcorn. 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 Oh, let's go. Come on, Yan. Oh, thank you. All right, let's go. Take a photo on this one. Look at that.
Pretty baby doll.
Huh?
First baby doll.
Yeah, nice. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's go here. Come on. You see something? Trick or treat. Thank you. Alright. Nice, Yan. Let's go. Hi, Daddy. It's your turn. It's your turn.
Ready, young?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Congratulations on your
What game?
This is what we got here. Oh, yan stuff. Oh, we got. And then our prize. Right, Yan? Our prize. Oh,
Yeah.
our prize.
You're
Alright.
you're
Right,
mommy
Yan?
minion.
Mommy Minion?
And the other minion outside is Daddy Minion, which is handing out the candies, and we have a red light in front of our house, which
Yeah.
is creepy. I can even see a little bit of it up there that looks like kind of like a laser. Freddy was out there. Creepy doctor.
Yeah, I don't even have a photo in there. With
I
them.
wasn't even afraid.
I only have a photo with Spider Game. Oh, what? Squid, Squid Game.
Related to Squid Game is survival game.
Yeah. Alright.
Can you take this off now?